How to update Block Blast app on iPhone. Now, keeping your games up to date is really important as new updates bring with more features, even many new modes, and so many more other fun, interesting things. So, if you want to upgrade your or update your Block Blast, you'll simply need to head over to your App Store. And after you head over to your App Store, on the bottom right, you will see the search bar. Tap on the search bar and search for Block Blast. Now I already have that on there, but let me show you the process. So after you search for Block Blast, open this up, and after you open this up, you will see the update option. Now tap on update, and after you tap on update, it will start loading and updating. Now after it starts updating, wait for it to finish, and after it finishes, it will come up with more bug fixes and performance improvements. So as you can see right here on the new version and under what's new. So don't forget to update your Block Blast, and after you update it, you can play it like you normally do. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. That is how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.